Hello my friends, welcome back to the second part of our channel here, our math channel. This is our part 2 of module 5 lesson 20. This should be a simple an easy one to complete, I hope. So let's see the instructions. RECT is a rectangle, and they call it RECT because if you look at the vertices, these vertices are what make this rectangle. And remember that this is a segment RE make the rectangle, and segment EC, segment CT, and segment TR. Okay. All right, now here's the question. Line TE. So let me identify line TE. It looks like line T, and let me choose a different color. It looks like line T right here, from here to here, is 13 inches. So that will be line T. So I will write here line T. Then we have to find how much is line E. So this line E, this diagonal, is the same as the opposite one. So that will be plus 13. So that means the total of that diagonal from corner to corner, or from vertex to vertice, it will be 26 inches. All right, now let's look at the line or the segment RC. Let's see. So here is R, and here is C. Oh, look at that. It's the same line. So if you pay attention to this blue line, this diagonal that goes from left to right, from bottom to top right, is the same as RC. So the answer should be 26 right here too. So it should be simple, right? Because they are identical lines. Now line CT, let's look at line CT. Line CT runs from, is this one right here, line CT. It does not have a measurement, but I noticed that it has a measurement on the parallel line to it, and that's 11 inches. So we're going to write 11 inches. Okay. Now we need to find out the angle ERM. So here's ERM. Okay, so now if we look at that angle, for example, if you complete this right here, you know that from here to here is 90 degrees. Okay, so now we have part of that angle, which is this part in the middle. We have this one right here, which is 35. So the one thing that we have to do is just, since this is 90, we take away 35. So we're going to do exactly that. So it's going to be, let me see if I can do this. Let me use my pen here. So it's going to be, let me see, where are you? There you, oh, I'm sorry, my pen is too fast. Let's make this one big. So it's going to be 90 minus 35, and that should be 55 degrees. So this part right here equals 55 degrees. When you total these two angles, equals 90. So now we have the answer for that angle. Our last question is the angle CTR. Let's look for that. Okay, there is CTR. Okay, look at that angle again. What kind of angle that makes? Well, that makes a 90-degree angle again, and so that's the answer for our problem here. That will be a 90-degree angle. Okay, now the last question says, what other names does this figure has? Well, that should be easy for you guys. So if you look at this figure, it has a let me I get a text box here. If you look at the figure, it has two sets of parallel lines, so it's a parallelogram. Another name would be, is it a trapezoid? Well, I know that trapezoids only have one set of parallel lines. This one has two, so this qualifies for a trapezoid. Okay? All right, my friends, make sure you watch this amazing video. It is a great masterpiece, and I'm doing it for you. I hope you're learning at home and you're putting your best effort forward. Signing out, your coach, Mr. Magno.